How you doing? Welcome to the party, man. Me and the Saucy fam are currently reacting to patron and PayPal requests. This is a PayPal request from Denise. No Resolve. Set Fire to the Rain, which is an Adele cover, a rock cover. Adele meets rock and roll. I'm here for it. Absolutely here for it. I have no clue who No Resolve is. No Resolve, no idea. But yeah, so let's check it out, man. If you guys are new around here, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you go to the Twitch and follow the Twitch so that you can take part in these live streams. It's a lot of fun. We have a good old time. And yeah, Denise, thank you so much for your support. You know how I feel about it. Just thank you so much for everything. I appreciate the crap out of you. And yeah, long time, very, very active Saucy fam member. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. He's got a great voice, huh? Wow. He's got a great voice. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your... The singer's name is Oscar? Well, this is incredible. Like, I know the melody to the original song. I just had the weirdest little like deja vu kind of moment where like, wait, hasn't this always been a rock and roll song? No, it's an Adele song. Literally sounds like it should have been rock and roll. Now, I don't know. What's happening? These guys are incredible. Terry, yeah. This is unreal. Like, I literally can't tell. I feel like I've heard a song that sounds a lot like this. My brain is, yeah, my brain's glitching out. I can't figure out if it's just the familiarity with Adele's song. I feel like I've heard a rock song that sounds a lot like this. Like the never knew never, that part Sounds so familiar. Oh, this is badass. He's got a great voice. Oh, come on, man.
Watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames.
The music video is super well done too. This is incredible, man. Denise said, we do make a little fun of them because they love rainwater in their videos. That's funny. I mean, they nailed it. However they accomplished that effect, they nailed it. So I suppose, hey, why not just keep using it? They're really good. They are really, really good. I want to see more of them. Subscribe. All notifications, please. Yeah, I want to see more of them for sure. They rock. That was awesome. That was really, really good. Thank you, Denise. Thank you for the request. That was an awesome request. And yeah, to everybody else, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and again, go down to that little Linktree link in the description. Go follow the Twitch so you can come hang out with me and all these amazing people. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Until then, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Stay safe out there. Peace out. Saucy fam.